In this video, we're going to discuss labeling a parcel. We're going to get into the detailed method for labeling the parts of a parcel, which includes labeling an individual segment of a parcel, labeling multiple segments of a parcel at the same time, changing the parcel area labels, and applying appropriate line and curve label styles. To get into the command for labeling a parcel, what you need to do is navigate to the Annotate tab in the ribbon bar and drop down Add Labels and choose Parcels, Add Parcel Labels. Inside of Add Parcel Labels, you have the choice of labeling type, which is single segment, multiple segment, replace multiple segments, area, and replace area. We're going to discuss single segment, multiple segment, and replace area in this video. So what we're going to go ahead and do first is we're going to label a single segment. We're going to start here at property 11, and I'm going to choose my appropriate label style. So we can choose a line label style, which is a general line label style, or a parcel line label style specific label for a bearing only, distance only, bearing over distance, just bearing, and just distance. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we are going to choose bearing over distance, and I'm going to go ahead and choose an appropriate curve label style, which is either a general curve label style or a parcel curve label style. So I'm going to go with a parcel curve label style of delta over length and radius. And the next thing that you have to do is you have to choose add. So I'm going to go ahead and select add, and then I'm going to select the segments that I want to add parcel labels to. So I'm going to select this line, this curve, this line, and this line. So I've now effectively labeled the entire parcel of property 11. If I want to go ahead and do that, but faster, I can choose to label multiple segments, which is what I'm going to do for the remaining 4 parcels that have not been labeled yet. I'm going to leave bearing over distance and delta over length and radius. I'm going to choose add. And what Civil 3D is asking me to do is to select a parcel to label. So I'm going to click the area label for the parcel I want to label. And then it asks me if I want to go clockwise or counterclockwise. I'm going to hit enter for clockwise. And then I'm going to move on to the next parcel and hit enter, and the next parcel and hit enter, and the last parcel and hit enter. The last thing that we're going to discuss is replacing area labels. If you do not like the area label that you have currently, which we all have parcel name as the area label style, if you wanted to change it to name, area, and perimeter, name, square foot, and acre, parcel number, standard, and later we'll get into how to create these label styles, but say we wanted to change it to name, area, and perimeter, we can go ahead and select that, make sure we have replace area selected, and choose add. Civil 3D is going to prompt us to select a parcel area label, and we're going to go ahead and select 13, hit enter, and it changes the label style to the name, area, and perimeter. Now, if I wanted to change it back to parcel name, I would just choose parcel name, select add, select the area label, and hit enter.